Registration for this fall's New England Boston School Painting Workshop is now open. Hi, I'm Paul Ingbretson. Following last summer's successful London workshop where we focused on still life and the portrait, we are now offering the opportunity to apply our unique Boston School Impressionist methods to painting interiors and landscapes, this time in the same part of the world where they actually worked. For this 4-week intensive, we've acquired the use of a ski lodge in Northern New Hampshire. It enables us to combine lodging and workshop in a single location, greatly reducing the cost for everyone. This lodge features nicely lit Boston School interiors and is surrounded by an autumn landscape typically dazzling with color at this time of year. We'll have live models, both indoors and out, further demonstrating the effectiveness of our method, whatever the subject. Many of our evenings we'll be talking Boston School theory and reviewing your work, among other things. There's no place on earth more beautiful than New England in the fall. You won't want to miss this chance to explore the Boston School light and color methods, and to do it alongside others who share your enthusiasm.